शेल्टर इन प्लेस ऑर्डर्स है ना यार.
The birthday thing was pure coincidence, beta.
It's all your fault, Ma.
You will be dead.
ये सरकता माथे से पल्लू, ये बिखरता मांग का टीका, ये शायद नथ है टेढ़ी, ये रंग मेहंदी का फीका. अपनी गुड़िया को दुल्हन सा संवारने को, मेरे बिखरते जज्बातों को संभालने को माँ यहाँ क्यों नहीं है.
हेलो.
क्या री, कितना टाइम लगेगा तुझे?
नहीं रोनित यार, I'm not ready yet.
I'm almost there. I'm reaching there in 10 minutes. Shelter in place orders है ना यार. Can't keep roaming around.
Just drive around like 2-3 times and I should be done. And listen, don't push it. I'm already like very stressed.
It's okay, baby. Simple is beautiful.
For a wedding? For you maybe. This is how much you know your wife to be, huh? Now please hang up and let me do my makeup in peace.
Hello? आज के दिन भी. What am I getting into?
Oh. Hell with this nose ring. Hello, Ma.
Hello, beta. कैसा चल रहा है preparations?
Great. So great that I'm falling apart.
Relax, beta. It'll all be okay. Go to the marriage office, sign some papers, think of it as an item on your to-do list. मेरा second भी, it was a registry only.
Mom, please. Are you seriously going to talk about your second marriage now while I freak out about my first? So awful circumstances. No help, so much uncertainty. Ma, I just wanted one perfect wedding in this lifetime. With friends and family. Is that too much to ask for, Ma?
I know, beta, but you didn't want to wait.
Mom, you know about the immigration situation, right?
I know. This is far from ideal. मुझे बुरा लग रहा है. I wanted to be there. Won't you have some of your friends there? वो कौन थी? Jia?
For the nth time, Ma, her name is not Jia, it's Jai. And no, she has quarantined herself even from her husband. I can't expect her to come out now.
Oh.
In fact, she sent me this. Dear friend, good luck. Woohoo! Bravo! You are the Corona bride. Corona bride. That's a thing now.
And my Facebook profile will say, proud to be a Corona bride's mom.
Stop it, Ma. It's not funny.
Just trying to lighten up the mood, Baba. What can I do if the airports are on lockdown? I even wrote a little poem requesting the government, let me go to my Ria. I will light you 1,000 diya. They wrote me a poem back. Ria is a brave girl. She will look good in red. But if you fly now, you will be dead.
Oof, Ma. Please.
If only she didn't pick Ronit, there would be no COVID.
Terrible. And stop dissing Ronit, Ma. It's very annoying.
Okay. I'll stop. By the way, Ria, why is your mang tika so high? Lower it. You have too big a forehead. Doesn't look nice.
Wow. 2 seconds pehle, you were like, what's the big deal? And now you start nitpicking on my looks.
Beta, what will people say if you don't look nice on your wedding day?
What people, Ma? Koi nahi hoga. Not even Jia. Just the security dude, the county clerk, and the gentleman that checks temperature at the gate. They won't notice an imperfect mang tika.
But what about the photos you will take? And Ronit and the witness?
That security dude is our witness. Bro, it's all your fault, Ma. All because of you. Why did you call me? My forehead is not big. It's your ego that's big. हमने कहा था ना आपको लास्ट मंथ ही आ जाने के लिए. You would have been here well before the lockdown. But नहीं, आपको रोनित जो अच्छा नहीं लगता. हमारा relationship जो good enough नहीं लगता. You ruin everything, Ma. You always ruin everything. Just like the time when you married your second husband on my birthday. I could never cut a cake happily after that. You just love to hurt me, Ma. You just love to hurt me. I don't know what kick you get out of it. क्यों फोन किया आपने? Why did you call me? मैंने कहा था आपको फोन करने के लिए। शादी में तो आ नहीं रही है, अभी गेस्ट की तरह कंग्रेचुलेट करने के लिए फोन किया है। Now come fix it. Fix my mom tika for me. Do at least something that a mother does. Selfish.
I really wanted to come, beta, but I have to keep my job. They're firing people left and right. Marrying that Sharma was a mistake. I'm sorry. But the birthday thing was pure coincidence, beta. You know that. Just don't remember dates. मुझे तो खुद का date of birth भी याद नहीं रहता. Your papa was my one and only true love. One thing I did right. Left me with a lifetime of memories. I was just like you in my youth. I also got cold feet on my wedding day. So your papa out of nowhere just started singing this Cliff Richard song. I always forget the words. Pum 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 pum. Wait, I have a recording somewhere, you know? Cliff Richard was born in Lucknow. Your dad was so proud of that connection. And he sang with so much love. All my butterflies disappeared. I'm WhatsApping you. Listen to it.
You are my theme for a dream, yes you are a rare and lovely theme. You're a theme for a dream.
Yeah, it's the Pal Pal song from Munna Bhai. Mom, I obviously love you and I miss Papa. Can you believe I have to maintain social distance from the groom?
रोनित आ गया मेरे ख्याल से. Go now.
Mom, I don't feel like it. I'm so drained out.
बेटा ऐसा नहीं करते. Come on now, buck up. As soon as it's safe, I'll come. We'll have a grand reception. Bye.
Okay. I love you, Mom. Bye.
Look at the text I sent you.
Ronit,
क्या री? अभी तक रेडी नहीं हो? कब से बेल बजा रहा हूँ यार?
what if I say I don't feel like it?
ऐसा मत कर रही. अब एक पल नहीं जी सकता तेरे बिना.
पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल.
Mom ने बताया.
मॉम? किसकी मॉम? नहीं तो.
Ronit, this is such a bad lie. अब चलो before I change my mind.
अच्छा गाया ना मैंने. मुझे इंग्लिश वर्जन भी आता है. कागे सुनाओ.
रहने दो.
Walk the aisle proudly, my child. We cannot change the cards we are dealt, just how we play the hand. May the wisdom of the years protect you from follies. May you find happiness in the little things. May you stay safe, sound, and healthy. I'm so proud of your commitment to love. May you get the happily ever after you deserve.
Nice touch, Ronit.
उसकी गुड़िया हमेशा उसके जहन में है, फासले कितने भी मगर वो नज़र में है. उसकी ममता तले सब कुछ संभल जाता है, एक उसकी आवाज़ से हर गम पिघल जाता है. मेरी अनकही बातें भी जान लेती है, माँ सब संभाल लेती है.